Okay, start of set 31, percentage yield and composition. So first off, we're interested in the percentage of iron, the proportion of iron that is found in hematite, which is a common form iron-containing mineral that is mined in the northwest of Western Australia. The idea is the more iron that is present in the sample, the more money that you can make out of it. So particular minerals with very high iron percentage composition are worth more than minerals with a lower iron composition. So first off for this, we're asked to calculate the percentage of iron in pure hematite. And that's going to be done like this. Firstly, we take the mass of iron divided by the formula mass of the hematite. And this is going to be 55.85 times 2, okay, that's the top line, divided by, again, 55.85 times 2. But we have to also add that together to 48, okay, which is the 3 times oxygen that we've got there. You don't really need to stick an extra set of brackets around. I'll do to make sure that it's clear that it's all on the one line. And then that needs to be multiplied by 100% to scale it to the percentage. Overall, if you do that, you will find that you end up with 111.7 divided by 159.7, and when you times 100%, and when you do that, you'll find that you end up with 69.9%, rounded to one decimal place. 69.94 if you really want to. And that is how to tackle that type of question. Now for part B, we're asked if the sample of iron ore consists only of hematite, so there's no other source of iron, and contains 65% of iron, what is the percentage of hematite in the ore? So in this case, this is a common way that chemists think about things. In this case, we're almost using the iron as a kind of tag for the hematite. So if we know how much hematite is present, how much iron is present in hematite, then we can figure out how much hematite is in the sample. Well, we are told that we have 65% of the iron is present as hematite. And that is out of a maximum possible theoretical that we've calculated of 69.9. I'm going to put the 43 on this percent. Okay, so that ends up being, and of course, as the whole thing is a percentage, it's times 100% as well. And that means that the sample is 92.9% hematite. I think I've spelled it correctly, which is the mineral. Let's go back over that. We're told we have 65% iron. 65% of the sample is iron. It could possibly be as high as 69.9% if all of the sample was hematite, but it's not. So the proportion that's hematite is the 65, which is the actual percentage of iron, divided by the theoretical percentage of iron, and that gives us 92.9%. Again, in this case, we're using the iron as a tag for the hematite, really. It's nice and simple, but it's a very powerful technique, and it's well worth knowing about. Thank you.